Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get to your Honda Pilot battery. First, locate the hood release lever, typically found on the driver's side, near the floorboard. Pull this lever firmly to unlatch the hood. Next, move to the front of your vehicle. Reach under the center of the hood's front edge to find the secondary safety latch. Push this latch to the side or lift it up to fully release the hood. Once the hood is released, lift it up and secure it safely using the prop rod. Now, look into the engine bay. On most Honda Pilot models, the battery is situated on the passenger side, towards the front of the engine compartment. You will likely see a black plastic cover over the battery, designed to protect it from engine heat and debris. To access the battery, you'll need to remove this protective cover. Look closely at the cover. You should see two clips or fasteners, usually one on each side. Gently unclip or unlatch these fasteners. Once both clips are released, carefully lift the entire plastic cover straight up and off the battery. Set it aside in a safe place. With the cover removed, your Honda Pilot battery is now fully exposed and accessible. You can clearly see the positive and negative terminals, along with the battery hold down. Remember to always exercise caution when working with automotive batteries. Ensure your vehicle is off and take appropriate safety measures before disconnecting or connecting any terminals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.